we are going to understand reducing to the lowest term. Now fractions we have received. Suppose this is my fraction 15 upon 25. Now in these fractions we have to divide. Lowest term means automatically we have to divide with the HCF of that particular number or the number which you can divide in both the same numerator as well as in the denominator. In this, here unit place is 5 and here 5, so automatically it will go by 5, divide by 5, so 25 divide by 5. Now here in 5 table how many times 15 is coming? 5 3s are 15, 3, and 5 5s are 25. Now understand here, now 3 and 5 we are not able to further divide. So this we call the lowest term of reducing to the lowest term of 15 by 25. Lowest term means that number we are not able to divide further. Or we can solve this in such a way. 15, if children you know the tables, so we can do easily. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, so directly we can write. Okay, so this is the way we are using for class 5th and 6th. If you have not understood, you can do simply in this way. Now we will take further example. Next example, 16. I am taking first small number, 2-digit number. Later on we will take 3-digit number. Now 16 by 24. Again 16 and 24, 6 and 4, so it may divide by 2. So children, we write 16 divide by 2, 24 divide by 2. Same number you have to take in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We have done. Now we got 8 by 12. Again we are writing 8 by 12 because we can do the further. So 8 by 12, again we are going to divide by 2 because 8 and 2 unit place, again it is going to divide by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Now 4 and 6, again it is divisible, so we can do it here. 4 divide by 2 and 6 divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 by 3 we got the answer. Okay, we get the answer 2 by 3. Now we are not able to further divide again. We are not able to do the fraction. So this is our lowest term. Now this much process is there, but how we can do in shortcut? 16 by 24. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8 by 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 4 by 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so 2 by 3. So anyway we are going to do, we will get the same answer. Now 2 by 3, it is the lowest term of 16 by 24. We are not able to further divide. Now another example we are taking here, 105 divide by 175. Now we have taken 3-digit number. Now children, whenever the number has given to you, you have to take care of the unit place. First you have to look at the unit. Now here unit place is 5, here also 5. Whenever the unit place is 5, it means the number is going to divide by 5. Now 105 divide by 5, 175 divide by 5. Same number. If I have chosen 5, so I have to same number in the numerator and the denominator. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now children, here it is 17. 17 minus 15, 7 minus 5, 6, 7. 2 is remaining. 1 minus 1 0. Now this 2 we are going to add here. Now it becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25 because here 2 is a remainder of 17. So 5 5s are 25. So now what we got? 21 by 35. Again we are having this number, we can divide. So 21 and 35, in which table it is going to come? 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. Now 3 and 5 we are not able to further divide. So this is our lowest term. Children, whenever the word is coming lowest term, it means we have to divide. Divide till the further where we are not able to divide the same number again. So now we are having 3 by 5. So the same number we can do here, same pattern. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15, 2 is remaining, it becomes 25. If you don't know, you can write with pencil also, small, 25. So 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So here it is 21 upon 35. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. So this is our answer. Now we will take one more example. Now we are going to take 210 divide by 350. Now children, we are going to do shortcut here. Now here you have to see, here it is 0, here also 0. When the unit place 0 is there, so we can go by 2 or we can go by 5. So first we are taking 2. Now we have to do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2. Then the next number is 1. So this one number we are not able to divide 2. So it will come 0. Then it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Now 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. It becomes 15. 2 7s are 14. 1 is remaining. It becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. So here it is 105 divided by 175. Now here unit place is 5. If the unit place is 5, it means it is going to divide by 5. 5 2s are 10. 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 16 17. 2 again it is remaining here. It becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. So we are getting 21 by 35. Again 21 and 35 is coming in 7 table. So 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35. So we got the answer here, 3 by 5. So again we are getting this lowest term. Again we are not able to divide this number into further. So this is our answer. So last one more example we are going to take. 204 divide by 238. Now here we children, we have to be very careful. Here it is 4 and 8, so it may go by 2. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 0s are 0. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 1s are 2. Now here it is 3 less than 3. 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. So 1 is remaining. We are keeping here. It becomes 18. 2 9s are 18. So what you got the answer? 102 and 119. Now see the unit place. Here it is 2. Here it is 9. If 9 is there, it means it will go by 3 or 9. Here 2, it will go by 2. But both are different. So we have to check in which table 102 and 119 is going to come. So we tried. We got 17 table. Which table? 17 table. Now 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 109. Now 6 and 7 again we are not able to further divide. So this is our lowest term. This is our answer. 6 by 7. I hope you have understood how to take the reducing to the lowest term. Children, if you have any problem, you can